How to edit your story on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can edit your story on Instagram. There are two ways to edit the story in Instagram: before posting and after posting. To get started, open your Instagram application first. To post in your story, click on this plus button on your story icon. Here, select a photo you want to post. You can edit this post by adding music tracks, filters, captions, stickers, etc. And click on this arrow button to confirm. Share it. Click on done and your story will be posted. After the story is posted, click on your story to view your story first. Here, tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and choose Story Settings. You can now make various edits depending on what you want to change. You can use this story to highlight, share it to others, copy link, share as post, save this video, add mentions, boost your story, customize your story settings, and so on. So this is how you can edit your story on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.